You ever want more control over camera angles using generative AI? Well, Runway's Gen 3 might just have the answer. Filmmakers can spend years mastering techniques like dolly zooms, focus pulls, and complex tracking shots, but now with Runway's Gen 3 Alpha, these camera movements are available at the click of a button, which to the AI naysayers can be pretty horrifying and scary, but to AI enthusiasts like us can be pretty exciting. So let's dive into it and see what this has to offer. So to get started, open up the Gen 3 Alpha Turbo tool in Runway. Make sure you're on the Alpha Turbo because otherwise the camera controls will be grayed out. Upload the image you want to animate. So I click on this here, it'll take me to the camera controls. So with these camera controls, you could move the camera in pretty much any direction. You've got zoom, pan, tilt, and even roll to get even more creative. There's also preset camera movements that you could just select. You can mix and match these movements and get even more of a cinematic feel. You want to create professional quality designs but feel unsure where to start? Maybe you worry your work won't look polished or you're overwhelmed by complex design tools. Introducing Kittl, the platform that makes high quality design accessible for everyone. No experience needed. With Kittl, you'll get access to an extensive library of professional crafted templates for every use case. From social media posts to business logos, Kittl's templates give you a stunning head start, so even beginners can create like a pro. Say you're working on a poster or social media design, you don't need to start from scratch. Just pick a template and personalize it however you want. It's as easy as choosing a design you like, tweaking a few elements, and voila! Kittl's templates are perfect for anyone who needs to create quality designs fast. And with so many options, there's something for every style and need. With Kittl, you could focus on being creative because the platform takes care of the technical side. From choosing fonts to adding textures and effects, it's all straightforward. And if you're a pro, you'll appreciate how it makes simple tasks lightning fast. And if you're stuck on font choices, we've got you covered there too. Kittl's award-winning Type Foundry includes over 1,000 master design fonts, and it's always expanding. They've even partnered with Monotype to bring you font icons like Helvetica. Just type in your desired style, whether it's vintage, retro, or modern, and watch as the perfect fonts populate instantly. Want to do more advanced editing but feel intimidated? Kittl's intuitive tools make it easy. Remove backgrounds with a single click for specific edits, upscale images without losing quality, or vectorize them in seconds, all without complicated, expensive software. Pressed for time? Kittl's AI Copilot is here to take over repetitive tasks. From creating unique assets to streamlining your workflow, Copilot helps you design faster without taking shortcuts. With Kittl, you don't need to be a design expert to create stunning, professional quality graphics. Get started with Kittl today and see how easy design can be. One thing to keep in mind is camera speed, which should actually match how close you are to the subject. For example, a speed that works well for close-up shots might be too slow for a wider scene. So adjust the speed based on the type of shot you're working with so everything feels natural. If you want even more control, you could add more details in your prompt. Type in a prompt that tells the AI where to move the camera or what the subject should be doing. This helps shape the video to match your vision, like a dolly out reveal that shows the environment. It's awesome to see how small adjustments can make a scene feel so much more alive.